Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to on the dark mode in vivo phone. See, so before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So what you need to do is you have to go to the settings. So you have to press the setting here, then you have to come down. So you see here display and brightness, we have to press this one. So you see here dark theme, so you just need to press this button here. So dark theme has been set now. So friends, or else if you want to, if you don't want to off also, you just need to press this button, or else if you want to put also, you just need to press this button. So it is done now. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to channel, and thanks for watching.